Stuck on activating your DJI Terra license? Confused about how to unbind? In 1 minute, understand the differences between online and offline activation and the key rules for unbinding. Activation. For the online version, go to the website, enter your activation code and DJI account to activate. For the offline version, install CodeMeter software. Create a license request, then go to the website, enter your email and exchange code, upload the license request, then import the received authorization license to your device to activate. Unbinding. For the online version, if your license is bound to one device, you can apply to unbind once per calendar year. If bound to 3 or more devices, then in each calendar year, you can apply to unbind twice. Once requested, all devices bound to the license will be unbound. Go to User Center, greater than Manage Licenses, and follow the instructions. For unbinding the offline version, please contact our support team to unbind. 3 things to remember about unbinding. For the online version, wait 15 minutes before rebinding the same device. For the offline version, unbind before reinstalling your OS. Otherwise, the license will become invalid. If you run out of unbinding chances, wait a calendar year for reset. For special cases, contact our support team. Final tip: choose the online version for standard use and the offline version for scenarios with high data security requirements.